Okay, we might get started. Unfortunately, our introductory speaker's not here at the moment, so responsibilities cascade down from the Dean to the next most senior member of the engineering fraternity here. So Tony Burkitt will make some introductory comments, quite off the cuff. I'll signal when you've spoken for too long.
Welcome everyone. Look, it's fantastic to have the workshop being held here in Melbourne, particularly as we think that this is a wonderful place to have it, not only because of the city itself, but also because of the research environment here. I mean, we have here, of course, a very strong medical school with a fantastic tradition, and also a very strong engineering school. But it's only been fairly recently that really the two of these have got together. And one of the sort of cornerstones of that collaboration, that working together between the two faculties, has been in the area of epilepsy. And it's been my great privilege to work together with David and with Mark, and with many of the other colleagues who have joined us over the past couple of years to be working in this area, doing many different projects. I mean, first of all, starting, I think we said, to show that seizure prediction would be very straightforward. That was about a decade ago, and here we are still trying to work it out. But of course, it moved on from then to look at a whole range of other things, sort of interventions and all sorts of other very interesting topics. So it's a great pleasure to have this workshop being held here in Melbourne, although we do appreciate that everyone's come from a long distance away, and they've also taken time out of their summer to come to a very cold, wintry Melbourne, so it's much appreciated. So without further ado, I think we'll get going with the first session of the day. First of all, of course, a big thank you to Levin, who's been the driving force behind this and one of the key people on the local organising committee for bringing this all together. We look forward to a fantastic sort of couple of days of presentations, and this does lead in then, of course, to the final 2 days. We have Thursday, which is a joint day between the seizure prediction workshop and the Melbourne Epilepsy meeting. It's a meeting we held every year between all the people within the Melbourne area who are involved in working in epilepsy. And that's normally a 2-day meeting, so the Thursday is going to be a joint day between the workshop and that regular meeting, and the Melbourne Epilepsy meeting continuing on the Friday. And of course, everyone who's attending the workshop here is very, very welcome to attend that meeting and be part of that as well. It's a great place to see everything that's going on within Melbourne about epilepsy. So thanks very much and enjoy the workshop.
Thanks, Tony. I don't think that was impromptu. I think you'd been planning that.